So typically at mediation, the first thing that happens is a joint session, and that is where all of the parties with their respective attorneys are in one room together, and the mediator gives an introduction and explains what the schedule will be and kind of explains a bit about their mediation style and what will be happening that day. Typically, at that introductory joint session, the parties are not put on the spot to say anything about their case. The attorneys usually do not make opening statements. It's really not a time for advocacy. In years past, it was used for those purposes, but I have seen mediation change through the years. And so today, typically there's a joint session at the beginning just kind of to explain what's going to be going on. After that, the parties break into their respective caucus rooms. So each party with their attorney or attorneys will be in their own conference room, and then the mediator will go back and forth between or among the various rooms throughout the day, exchanging information.